the children go?
Where is Mom?
Oh, this soup is very, very spicy. Help me.
Hey, the little bird stole our last mango.
Thank you, Chiang Mai, for the best adventure ever.
Wow, look at this beautiful old wall. This is amazing.
Welcome to Chiang Mai Old City, kids.
Dad, how old is this wall?
It's over 700 years old, very ancient.
700? That's so old.
Yes, sweetie. Older than Grandma and Grandpa.
Look, there's a moat with water. Can we feed the fish?
Sure. Let's buy some fish food first. Good idea. The shop is over there. Thank you.
Wait, the map says we should go left.
Are you sure, Leo?
Yes, definitely left.
But that's a wall, not a road.
Leo, you're holding the map upside down.
Hello? Hello? Do you need help? Yes, please. We're looking for Ta Pei Folt. Go straight, then turn right at the temple.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy Chiang Mai. What's that beautiful building?
Look, so many fish in the water. Let's feed them together. Throw the food gently. Don't scare them. Wow, they're eating so fast.
Mom, look at these beautiful lanterns.
They're handmade, very special.
Can I have the pink one?
You've got the eye.
Sure, sweetheart. Let's ask the price. This one is 100 baht.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy Chiang Mai.
Let's take a family photo here.
Yes, this wall is perfect.
Everyone say Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai.
This ancient city wall has protected Chiang Mai for over 700 years.
That's incredible. So much history.
And people still take care of it today.
We should protect old things too.
Exactly. Preserving history is very important. Ah, what is that?
It's an elephant trunk. So cool.
Don't worry, she's very friendly. It's okay, Mia. She just wants to say hello.
She's so big. I'm a little scared.
It's natural to feel scared. Take your time.
Look, Mia. She's gentle, not scary.
Her name is Molly. She's 20 years old. Would you like to feed Molly some bananas?
Yes, please. How do I do it?
Hold the banana flat on your hand like this.
Okay, here you go, Molly. Wow, her tongue is so long and pink.
She's eating so gently, very careful. Good job, Leo. You're very brave.
I understand. We'd never ride elephants. We should protect all animals.
Many people used to ride elephants for fun, but it hurts their backs and makes them sad.
Oh no, poor elephants.
That's why we have sanctuaries, to protect them. Here, they can live freely and happily. I understand. We should never ride elephants. We should protect all animals.
Ah! My hat! Where's my hat? Look, Molly took it with her trunk. Hey, Molly, give it back, please.
Molly is so funny.
Now we can help Molly take a mud bath.
A mud bath! That's so cool!
Will we get dirty? This is the best day ever!
Look at all this mud. It's everywhere.
This the best day ever.
You're doing great, kids. Malali loves it.
Mia, would you like to give Molly a hug?
Really? Can I?
Go ahead, sweetheart. She's waiting.
Okay, here I come, Molly.
Goodbye, Molly. We'll miss you.
Thank you for playing with us.
Remember, kids, always protect animals. We promise. Welcome to the busiest and brightest night market. Look at this cute waving cat. Guess who am I, sister? It is like a dream come true. The umbrellas are like giant flowers in the sky. The silk feels so soft and smooth.
I want this little elephant for my coins.
There are so many interesting things to see.
It smells like real flowers. So sweet. Etch.
Oh no, my puppet is losing his arm.
He is a very good artist, Leo.
My hand is glowing with many colors.
The night market is full of magic.
See the shadows moving on the white cloth? That gong is very loud and deep. This word means happiness in Thai language. Every lantern has a little warm light.
I want to learn everything about Thailand.
Do you think this pepper is very hot? Now you are the king of the market. It smells like a beautiful garden at night. It's a little bit hot with so many people. Every corner has a new surprise for us.
Oh no, where did the children go? The street is so busy, I can't see them.
Where is Mom? I can only see big masks. I have my little light. Don't be afraid.
We need to find each other quickly.
Mom, Dad, we are right here by the clock.
We are so happy to find you, my brave kids.
Try some fried balls. They are still warm.
We must hold hands and never let go. Now we can enjoy the market together again. The Sunday night market is a magical place of light. We found so many treasures and had so much fun. Next, it is time for some delicious Thai food. Are you ready for the big dinner? Let's go and taste the yummy Chiang Mai food.
Something smells so good and spicy. I am so hungry.
Look at this big yellow mango. It looks like a gold egg.
This orange milk tea is very cold and sweet. We want to try the famous noodle soup, please. Let's start our delicious Thai food adventure.
Wait, these little peppers are very strong and hot. The noodles look like crispy golden hair. I am trying my best to use the sticks. The yellow soup is calling my name, Daddy. Everyone in the restaurant is so friendly. Oh, this soup is very, very spicy. Help me.
Leo, your face looks like a big red tomato.
Drink this sweet milk tea. It will help you. Try some lime juice. It's fresh and sour.
It is spicy, but very yummy. I like it.
This sweet mango rice will save my tongue.
You have a little white dot on your nose.
The mango is so ripe and juicy, sweetheart.
It is the most beautiful dessert in the world.
We are so happy with our Thai lunch.
Aromac means the food is very delicious.
Thank you. The teacher said I am a good girl.
That was a very cheap and great meal. We look so full and happy in the mirror. Let's go for a walk to digest our lunch.
Hey, the little bird stole our last mango.
He was faster than us, Dad. Look.
He is having a big Thai party in the sky.
At least I have coconut on my face.
That bird knows good food when he sees it.
This is the sweetest afternoon with my family.
I love Thailand, and I love you, Leo.
The sky is as colorful as the food here.
We have many happy memories in this cup.
Chiang Mai, you are so delicious and warm. Thank you, Chiang Mai, for the best adventure ever.
We learned so many things and had so much fun.
See you next time, beautiful Thai lad. Don't forget to always travel with the ones you love. Goodbye, friends. We will see you very soon.